Let's take a look at Blaze Health Monitoring. First, click on Health Monitoring. At the top left, we have our service stats, including CPU and memory usage. At the top right, we can see that all 4 cameras are connected and functioning properly. Regarding storage, we have a 4 terabyte drive with a current run rate of about 8 days. You can also see a breakdown of how that space is being used. The C drive shows very little activity, while the D drive is mostly dedicated to writing video. As for the network, most of the traffic is going into the recorder, with very little being replayed out. Now let's dive into the details for these 4 cameras. Here, you can see their configuration, bitrate, and how much space they consume on the drive. To check the configured retention time for a specific camera, navigate to Advanced Settings. Here we can verify that it is set to 7 days, while this setting can be adjusted to 6 days or any other value.